Welcome back to One Good Thing at Home. Do you want to give your living room a makeover and spend no money? Well, this week I've got a tip for you. It's part spring cleaning, part makeover, but I guarantee you when you're done, you and your living room are going to feel like a new person. So I move my furniture twice a year to make it face different directions because this house works that way. But there's another really good reason to move your furniture in any room, because energetically, when furniture sits in the same place for a long time, it deadens, it loses energy. And this is feng shui as well as just my own personal experience. When you move objects around and you put them in new positions, it releases new energy, it breaks up old patterns, and it literally feels better. So this layout is the winter layout. Why? Because it faces the fireplace, but also it faces inward. It's much more contracted, which suits the winter well. We're gonna change it now to face outside and be much more expansive. But in both cases, in any layout, you wanna have as many entry points and allow as much flow around your furniture as possible. Look, you don't have to move all your furniture to get the benefits of what I'm talking about. A few simple changes will have an effect. This is just what I do, and I love it. It helps me usher in the new season. Think about all of the dirt and debris that can accumulate under furniture when they aren't moved frequently. Another good reason to give a space a new layout. So one more quick tip that will actually also support the energy of your living room, which is you need to have things that meet you and support you when you're in it. So side table, really important. Lamp, really important. And lately, this guy from Most Modest, I love. It's just an extension charging station for your laptop and your phone when you're sitting on the sofa. And it's pretty. So that's it for this week, and boy, does this room feel better and different and energized. What do you think, Hans? Tired, huh? Well, it is a lot of work, but it's worth it. So I want to know, what do you think? Do you move your furniture around? How often? And how does it make you feel? Let's start a little poll in the comments below, and then I'll see you next week. And Hans, I think you got the right idea. I might just take a little cat nap myself.